What's up, YouTube fans and T-Rex fans? We got another project going on here today, and we'll be cutting the shifter off because, as you guys know, it's a little dinky one, so we got a nice red carbon fiber. So what I've gone ahead and pull this seat out. I'll show you how to pull this, like I'll pull the other seat out and I'll show you how it's done. It's pretty straightforward. All you gotta do is pull that little pin right there up, move that forward, should wiggle out. The other one sure did. This is all Velcro to the bottom, so you just pull this up. And there she goes. And there's your seat. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this to the side for now. I'm going to keep these pins up here so we don't lose them. So I went ahead and ordered a red carbon fiber shift knob. Bam. So this will match the side protectors that I have, which are red as well. And they come with a couple of little connectors here, like little sleeves, and a little, like 3 Allen keys. Okay, so what we're going to use today is we're going to use a little jigsaw. I got a fine thin blade on there, and that's aluminum, so it should cut it no problem. And here it is in the sunlight. It's a little bit brighter than the side panels, but I think the red will really pop. I've seen a lot of guys do black carbon fiber, so I change it up a bit. Plus, I got red seat belts, so throw a little bit of red in there. It'll look nice. So let's go ahead with that. So what I've done is I also put a little microfiber cloth. I just had an old one laying around, so I cut that hole so no metal particles go inside here, inside the shift area. And I know a bunch of guys, they mask up everything, but I try to keep it clean, and I can vacuum up whatever is left over, like the metal shavings. So hopefully I don't have too many metal shavings. Let's try this. And just like that, she's all off. Right there. It's a little hot, so yeah, it's not so bad. Yeah, she's a little toasty. So now we'll go grab the new one. Now here's the new one. Just slip right on. She's mint. Obviously I gotta put this down a little bit. And what I'm gonna do is, after I clean up the inside of the cabin there. Let's get this off. I'm gonna drill a couple of screws as this goes on here, like that. I'm gonna keep the carbon fiber going straight. It looks clean. Goes with the straightness of the bike. There's a couple of little set screws, so I'm just gonna mark them with like a little Sharpie. And you know what? Let's put them in and see what it looks like. Alright, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is put these screws in with some blue Loctite. I'm going to set these in here first, and then we'll put it on the bike and see what it looks like. Just want to keep even pressure, or put them through evenly so it sits pretty center. Right now it's like pretty much bottomed out, so it's not really moving any side to side. And there she is. Whoops. Yeah. Definitely looks nice with the red carbon and the red seat belts. So, I'm going to put the seats back in and we're good to go. And there she is. She's all put back together. Seats are back in. New shift up. Sick. Alright, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. More T-Rex content coming.